What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at two of my trades on the NASDAQ 100 today. Yesterday, in the video closer to the end part, I actually outlined my trade and then where I would have gotten stopped out, and I was actually right. I did get stopped out before I even woke up in the morning. So today was basically, I would say, it kind of looks like a breather in the market because the market didn't really push down and just keep that direction. It was a nice reversal, and I'll actually show you where the market actually hit a demand zone and then it basically pushed up from that. My bias going into next week is that we're going to be pushing down. Monday might not be a great day to trade. You might have some wicks like this, like a doji kind of wick with a bigger body because it's a daily. And we're not gonna have true direction until Tuesday or Wednesday. Lucky, if we're lucky, we can have direction straight off the bat from Monday. But I believe that we won't have direction hitting off on Monday. But I'll show you the two trades today. You can see where I drew that the market was going to go down. The market went down from there, but then we had a little rebound today. I'm thinking we're gonna still continue to push down, right? So the first trade, and all of the trades were taken on this one, which is the September 8 candle. So that's this one. So the September 8 candle, I entered at 15272. So actually bring this over a bit so you can see it. So 15272.19. So I entered to the sell side here, and then I got stopped out at 15293.24. That was the same stop loss of the other trade. So I'll just keep that one there. So I got stopped out at 15293.24. So that was right here. I just set my stop loss at around, let's call that 20 pips, but I entered on a 0.05. So that would put my risk at around 10 or 11 if you wanted to round it off to the higher number. So my max risk on the trade was $10. If we had a nice daily move, it could have been a profit of $100. So this is where I got stopped out for a total loss of 10.53. And then let's just move this one down because this is where I just took my second entry. So I split up the trade into two 0.05s, so I could actually trade the same place I wanted to put my risk, but I actually just split up the risk into two in case we had a runner, right? So the second one I entered at 15271.69. So that's closer to the bottom of the candle there. And then I got stopped out right here around the same time as the other candle for a total loss of 1078. So what I actually wanted to show you is that if I use my other chart where I was trading more of the supply and demand zones, and you can see that the candle actually came into the zone. You had a huge rejection, so it basically hit out all of these people. We had a huge rejection at this zone, closed at the zone, opened at the zone, closed above the zone. So you can see this is the zone here. You still wick down here. You kind of took out a lot of people for liquidity on both sides. So I would just call today like complete indecision. The market didn't know where it wanted to go. And then we had a close there. You can see where I got hit out. I just made no more trades today because I could actually tell that today might not be a good day. And after trading on like Monday and Tuesday, where you just didn't have those good moves, they just basically destroyed you with just wick up and wick down. That would have cleared you out on both sides. I figured that this might be one of those days. It's like a breather day. When you have a breather day, the market can just hit you out and not make any money for anybody. The ideal way to trade is today, you would have to just catch it at the zone, allow it to come up, and then just sell there. But you probably could have incurred a lot of risk by trying to trade today because the market didn't have much direction. Overall, the direction was up, but you'd have to set your stop loss very low so that you didn't get hit out, right? But that's basically it for the video today. I'll see you in next week's video. So next week you can just join me where I'm gonna be trading the NASDAQ 100 again. This is a new skill funded trader account. So I passed phase 1. I'm on to phase 2, and I'm looking to complete phase 2 probably next week or the week after, but I'm gonna still keep the risk nice and small, so like $10 risk, $20 risk max, and I'm not gonna go too crazy when trying to trade anything and build this account. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can get some lessons and knowledge from my experiences just trying to build a strategy, trying to learn, and just gaining the wisdom that you can gain from just putting in the work. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.